Hi guys, it's Erica and I am at a DIY home center. So I came here last night because it just opened and I want to check it out, and I think they have some pretty good plants, so we're gonna go check it out. So this is the indoor plant section, and the whole first part is dedicated to like Christmas stuff. Okay, and the first thing that I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, is this Monstera Deliciosa. It is so healthy and big and beautiful, and guess how much it costs? Only $39.99. Like, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's really worth the price. Like, this is priced so perfectly. Oh my gosh, if I was gonna buy my first Monstera, it would be this one. Like, this new leaf right here. So beautiful. Okay, and then here, this is a really tall Dracaena. This one is $69.99, so $70 for this one. Dracaena marginata. Very big. And then this big what is this called? Snake plant is only $19.99. I think these are good prices so far. There's some more Dracaenas here, and these are $13.99 each. This plant right here, $7.99. I don't actually know what this plant is. It looks like maybe like a Dracaena. Seems to be the Dracaena section. And then here is a hanging Syngonium. This one is $7.99, and I think that it's a good price for this size also. It's pretty big, pretty substantial plant. And this whole section here is blank, so they don't have a lot of plants, but I think that the ones they do have are priced pretty well. Little $3.99 ones, 4-inch. A pothos, golden pothos is $7.99. And then there are some little baby snake plants for $3.99 also. Some palms, more Dracaenas, and then anthuriums. The anthuriums are $17.99. And a little Schefflera. So all the 4-inch ones seem to be $3.99. Except for this money tree, which is $8.99. Ooh, some more big. These are only $13.99. That's crazy. For this big snake plant? Oh my gosh, that's a steal. And then there's a little rubber tree here. How much is this? This one is $7.99. For a little rubber tree, the leaves look really small. This is just a small rubber tree. And I believe these are lemon lime Dracaenas for $7.99. And this is like the Christmas section I was telling you about. All filled with Christmas plants. Some trees. And then here is a Dieffenbachia, $7.99. We have this one and this one. Here's some more of those. I'm pretty sure they're Dracaenas, $13.99. And then these little marginatas are $7.99. Oh, they have little baby pothos for $3.99. Some ivies, $7.99. Got a little baby variegated Schefflera here. And a non-variegated. Some more little snake plants. And then they also have the ruby rubber trees, which you don't normally see in like Home Depot or Lowe's, and they're $7.99. I think this is a great price also. It has really small leaves like the can't remember, burgundy rubber tree, but that's okay because for this price, I think it's good. Some ZZs here. Oh, and they also have little ferns. And some more spider plants. They have the two kinds here. Some more scheffleras, money trees, a bigger rubber tree. This is usually the size that they are. I think this is a great price. Only $14 for this big rubber tree. It has 3 or 4. That's really good. And this big guy here is $100. Oof. Okay, continuing on. When I came here, I looked at like pretty much everything plant related, and I was really happy to see what kind of soil they have. They usually don't have like good soils at Home Depot and Lowe's. Usually they just have this Miracle Grow. So I was so happy when I came over here and I saw they have Happy Frog soil. They have the Rainforest of the Sea soil. These are really good soils to use for your plants. A lot better than Miracle Grow. So the Happy Frog ones are $6.99, and then so are these. They also have these Unigrow potting soils. I think these are much better than Miracle Grow also. Cactus mix. And violet. This is the brand that I get my pumice. Oh my gosh. This is the brand of pumice that I get. I like it a lot better than perlite. And this one is $3.99. So I have vermiculite, perlite, African violet mix, cactus mix. They just have a lot of good soils. They also have this worm castings. This is the worm castings that I use. And these are $8.99. I can come here to make my soils. Orchid mix. Oh, this is also the orchid bark that I use. The fine grade one. I have this one and I also have the bigger orchid bark. And these ones are $5.49. There's peat moss here. I have this peat moss. I don't really use it. Some charcoal. I use this charcoal too. Bigger bags. They just have like really good soils here, and when I saw it I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they have this. It made me so happy. Miracle Grow. Okay. They have a bunch of pots here. This is turning out to be like a whole tour of their like garden section. Let's look at their terracotta pots. I kind of want to get a pot like this for what's it called? The little clay balls, leca, for using with leca, because I still haven't drilled a hole in mine yet, and I really need to, so I might get one of these. It's $2.79 for this one. It's pretty much the same brand they sell at Home Depot and Lowe's. So pretty similar. They got some big ones here for like trees and stuff. I think $24 for like a giant pot like this is pretty good. Pretty good. Unless you want to get like a painted one, because these are like $50. I like pots like this, but it's $15. It's just not my journey. Okay. And then over here is where they have some like thermometers and stuff. They had something here. Oh, they have these like grow light garden things. They're very expensive. This one is $100. This one is $130. This one is $60. Oh my gosh, they also have clay pebbles here. And these are $13.99. Oh my gosh, I think this is Coca-Cola. What is this? Beats Pete? Oh, it is Coca-Cola. Oh, I can get my Coca-Cola here too. I usually order it online. This is $12.99. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I came back to look at this again. Dang, they have literally like everything that I need. They have some moss here, just the like Spanish moss. Got a lot of moss. And they have, oh, this little kit over here for like making your own terrarium. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I really want one. I don't even know. I literally might just build a terrarium so I could use those little tools. They're $10 for this little kit. That is so cute. They have little kits here. Isn't that so cute? Like the spray bottle too. It's $8. I already have one like this and I use spray bottles way too much to keep refilling that one over and over again. But it is cute.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, and then on the other side here, they have like little like tying tools. They have a 3-way meter. This one is $8.99. Some pH testers. I think that these like little tie tapes, I might need them one day. They also have like these little things to help you hang up your plants outside, which I kind of need, but I don't really want to buy them. And just like all of this little pottery stuff and little plant stands and everything. Okay, I almost forgot this section. This is like the fertilizer section. Like they have little insecticidal soap. We need these. Oh, rooting powder. Oh my gosh, there's 2 rooting powders here. This is the one that I tried and it worked really well. I like it. And just like a whole bunch of fertilizers and stuff. I have this specifically for my cacti, but I don't really know how it'll work. I haven't really used it yet. I also have this that I use when I'm too lazy to mix my fish fertilizer, which I feel like they have here somewhere. Oh, they have some here. Fish fertilizer. It's not the one that I use. The Miracle Grow stuff. Dr. Earth. Okay, they don't have the fish fertilizer that I use, but that one could work. That one could work instead. On this side, they just have like lawn stuff, by the way. So that's why I'm focused over here. I haven't bought anything from here yet, but I know that I will. Okay, I think that's everything. This is the outdoors. They don't really have a lot of like outdoor plants. It's mostly just flowers and stuff like that. But they do have a little bit of succulents that I could show you. And the way that they set up their prices is they'll have like a sticker like that, and then everything that size is how much it costs, which I really like. That's my favorite way. It makes filming a lot easier too. Well, this is where they have the little cacti. Look how tall these towers are. Those are so cute. They look like little leopard or like snake. I don't know, some animal. But yeah, that's everything I think now. So cute. Just some like herbs and stuff. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. It would turn out to be like a whole entire indoor houseplant section tour. I was really happy to see the kinds of soil they had, like all the different fertilizers they had. I think that the quality of those things was a lot better than what you would find at Home Depot. It was better than what you'd find at Home Depot and Lowe's. So I'm a fan of DIY Home Center, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!